So, in this class, we are going to see about basic types of test on bricks. Already in our previous classes, we had seen what is bricks and how it is manufactured. Now, we are going to see what is a basic test on bricks, whichever we are going to use it on field or in laboratory. How we going to test a brick, a good brick. So these are the following. We have a lot of tests available. One is your absorption test, crushing strength test, hardness test, shape and size, color test, soundness test, structure of brick, and presence of soluble salt. In which we had seen already the shape and size we had discussed in our previous class. We always also know that a brick has to be in a proper rectangular shape and the size has to be in a regular thing, and the color, it should be in a bright red color, and the structure of brick, it should not have any deviations on it. So soundness, if you just ring on it, the ringing sound has to, we have to get it. Okay, so these are all a basic test. And hardness test is like nothing but you're going to scratch a brick and there should not be any impression on your brick. So what we gonna see in this class is your major thing is your absorption test, crushing strength test, and your presence of soluble salt. That is your efflorescence test. So first one is your absorption. We already know the absorption is like how much amount of water a brick is going to withhold inside it. Okay, so how we gonna test it? We're gonna take a dry sample of brick, we have to weight it, and we have to note the value, and then you have to soak the brick for 24 hours in a water. So after that you have to take a brick and wipe off the remaining water on the surface of your brick, and then you weight it again. So you can gradually see a increase of weight in your brick due to the water absorption capacity of the brick. So you have to calculate now, that is a weight after soaking the brick minus your initial weight, which will give you the amount of water absorbed. So if in percentage, if you calculate this thing, it should not exceed 20 percentage of weight of dry brick. The dry brick you will take, right? So in that, the wet brick should have only 20 percentage of water absorption, not more than that. If this condition satisfied, then your brick is in a very good condition. And with that classification they had given, how we are going to classify the bricks according to the water absorption. If it is one day it is absorbing 5% of water in 24 hours, we'll call that type of brick as a heavy duty bricks. So it is a special made brick. Usually the brick will not behave like that. We have to put some more effort to make such type of brick. And then we have a three type of classification. One is your first class brick, second class brick, and third class brick, which will have usually first class is 20 percentage, second class is 22 percentage, and third class is your 25 percentage. So with that water absorption capacity, you can classify the bricks. And the next one is your crushing strength. Crushing strength is nothing but how much of load a brick can withstand, right? So, or it can withstand. We are going to place a brick in a compression machine and we are going to apply a load using these plates. So how much it's going to withstand? At least a minimum of 3.50 Newton per mm square. If this satisfied, then it will be useful for the construction purposes. If it is less than 3.5, what it means, it is not useful for your construction purpose. And then we're going to see what is your efflorescence test. Efflorescence test, in the sense we're going to calculate how much of soluble salt is available in your brick. Usually in some cases the brick will be of a very good condition, and in some cases will have some soluble salt. How we can able to calculate it? After the water absorption, that means after 24 hours of soaking, you have to take a brick and you have to keep it out. So after drying, you can absorb the brick completely. If you find any white or gray color deposits on the surface of the brick, that means there is a soluble salt present in your bricks. So with this types, I'm gonna conclude. These are the different types of bricks, the stone bricks, and I hope this will be very helpful for you to revise during your exam. Thank you.